So here we have my Dan Electro 59 NOS. From a distance, it doesn't look so bad, but let's get right up on it here. Look at that fretboard. Needs some work. It's not my main guitar, so the maintenance hasn't been super kept up on. So I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to show you guys how to properly clean a fretboard. So to begin cleaning a fretboard, I usually just get a microfiber cloth and get a little bit wet. You're just gonna start getting some of that gunk off. Just in a couple seconds, you can look and see how much we've gotten off. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. So as you guys can see, it already looks much better. So now our fretboard is relatively gunk free. However, it's pretty dry. So I personally use this D'Addario Hydrate oil to do this. I like to just, you don't want to skimp out on it. Make sure that you apply quite a bit and then just start working it in. Now if your fretboard is super dry, like this one, then you may have to do it more than once. And if you look, as I rub it in, I'm actually still getting quite a bit of gunk off. That's pretty normal, so the more time you spend on it, the better your fretboard will get. So that's really all there is to it, you guys. It's not exactly rocket science. It's more just about giving your fretboard some tender love and care and taking the time and exercising the patience to get your fretboard clean and well lubricated. Quick side note, I've just finished my second guitar build. It's right here. So we have our first build and our second build. I'm thinking about making some videos about this in the future. So drop a comment below telling me if you want to see more about the builds and what you'd like to see with regards to that. So we have build 1 and build 2. And don't forget, there's still time to enter our string giveaway. All you have to do is follow the link in the description below to the previous video.